Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Dagny. Today we are doing Glossybox. I am so excited. It's June, but this is the May Glossybox. Yes, we are just finally getting it. Goodness, what a month. Everything has been crazy late and shipping has been horrible. Anyway, if you don't know what Glossybox is, a beauty monthly beauty subscription. And how much is it in the States? I think it's like 21. I do the 3 months and usually try and find a code so it's a little bit cheaper. So it's like about $20 a box here in Canada, which isn't bad. It's skincare, makeup. I like getting this box and I'm excited to see the products in this month's box. And actually the box itself, my nose is itchy, sorry. The box itself is gorgeous. I absolutely love it. Let the Sunshine is this month's theme. It's usually like a pink box, but every once in a while they do a different theme. And this happens to be this month's, well, not this month's, May's month. Oh my goodness. So I'm a little confused, I'm not gonna lie. The May box was shipped, okay, so I got 2 emails saying it was shipped twice. One says it's just getting into Canada, the other shipping says it wasn't, like, they don't know where it is. They don't know anything about it. And then I got 2 different emails about the products in this box. Apparently the card had been mixed up. Glossybox is a little bit of a hot mess right now, I'm not gonna lie. They were late, the card's a mess. But anyway, my point was that I don't know if I'm getting 2 boxes or what's even gonna be in this box. I'm like so freaking confused. So I guess I will find out if the other one happens to show up. I don't know. But anyway, let's get into May's box. Okay. Aw, the inside's even really pretty. I'm gonna end up keeping this box. I have a few boxes over there that have a cute design, so I keep them. First thing that was not even in the box, it was on top of the box, was a gift card for Velvet. Velvet eyewear. Piece 21, $25 off your order. Super cute. I am in love with the glasses that I got in the the Mother's box, which came out in May, and they are also from Velvet, so I might have to check that out and see what else I can get. All right, when you open it, this is what it looks like. I love the ribbon. I always end up keeping them. And then we get a little pamphlet that actually tells about the products, which is super, super exciting. So I will refer to this, kind of refer to this. I don't even know. I guess we'll kind of look at this and then I might have to pull up the email and see what's up. All right. Okay. Interesting. So I already see one thing. Was that the first email? I'm so freaking confused, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna find this email real quick. Okay, I found the email and it looks like I got the stuff from the first one that they had no idea about. So I might be getting 2 of this box, which isn't a bad thing. I'm not complaining about that. Okay, so in the card it says there was a full-size Josephine highlighter, which would have been $36, but instead we got the Bella Pierre HD setting spray. See if I can get my camera to focus. I've been having issues. Oh, yeah, that seems to be focusing better. Cool. I just switched some settings around. So this is one of the items in the box. Not bad. Let's see. Oh, that would have been bad if I would have sprayed that right on my face. Oh, it's a little much. Doesn't smell bad though. Actually, it smells really nice. Oh, my face is so wet. Oh, woo, okay. Yes, I get to setting, but not so freaking much, please. Oh my goodness. Okay. Well, that's not bad. Like I have a hate-love thing with Bella Pierre, but I'm not sad to have a new setting spray. Not one bit. All right, next product, which I didn't think I was going to get. It is the Urage thermal water spray. I love these. I have one in my fridge right now. Oh my goodness, it is focusing so much better. Sorry. I got distracted. I seen that like it did focus so much better. Okay. I have one of these in my fridge. It's not by the same brand. I can't remember what brand's by. But I love these. These are so nice. You just pop them in your fridge. When it gets too hot in the summer, give yourself a nice spray. I don't know if I should spray myself a second time. Ah! Oh, these do feel so good. This is gonna have to go in my fridge right away. Oh, I love these so freaking much. So much. I'm feeling a little wet now. Setting spray and then the water spray. Oh my goodness. All right, let's move on to the next product, which is actually really exciting. I've gotten a few of these now. Not the same one though. But this is Earth Harbor Helios Anti-Pollution Youth Ampule. Oh guys, I totally forgot to tell you the prices. This one is worth $3.50. Oh, no idea what that one's worth. I don't even think it showed up on the email. Oh, it's full size. Yep, that one's worth $32. The setting spray's worth $30. Holy crap. It's not a bad box because that's full size and this is now full size. All right, so this is the Helios, yeah, I already said, anti-pollution serum. I have, what do I have? Brightening one, I think, in my drawer? I think I do. Ooh, oh my God. I am in love with the colors of this. Super freaking pretty. Super pretty. This is definitely gonna have to go in my bathroom and check it out soon. So I'm not sad about that whatsoever. Ooh, the next item I'm not sad about either. I've seen all the spoilers, so I do kind of know what's in this box. Oh, I had somewhat of an idea. I wasn't absolutely positive. Anyway, this next product is from Aveda, which I really like. This one is their leave-in conditioner spray. How much is this one worth? This one is worth $12. Helps with heat. Shield your hair from UV rays and heat damage with this 90% naturally derived, is that how you say it? Ooh. Formula, which is pretty sweet. I love the color of this bottle too. I do, I like it. So that's exciting. I love leave-in conditioner. Like, my hair gets so tangly and it's just so nice to have. Okay, next product we have is, this one was the this or that. It could have been, oh, not a this or that. Sorry. My thing is showing a sunscreen, but I got the night cream. Polar, oh, from Polar, sorry. Polar Night Revitalizing Mask with Boreal Algae, whatever that is. But that's not bad. This is a good brand. I've seen this one several in our boxes, and I have tried it. I've tried other products and liked them, so I'm not complaining about that. And last product in this box, which is kind of sad, but another amazing product. I love having a bath. It's one of my favorite things to do. If I've had a long day, I just want to curl up in the tub, not gonna lie. And they gave us some bath salts from the Kneep? My goodness. Mineral bath salt, Dream Away, valerian and hops essential oils. And it's vegan. So that's exciting. I do love bath salts. I love using bath bombs, bubble bath, all the above. I'm not sad to get this. All right, so that was the last product in the box. It's not a bad box this month. This one was supposed to be an extra. Did I even say that? For loyal subscribers. I haven't been a loyal subscriber, so I'm not even sure why I did get it. And then the Aveda, the full-size Belle-Pierre, and then the night cream. So we got 6 products. Pretty great. It's a pretty good month. Pretty good February, or no, May box. Oh my goodness. Now I'm getting confused. Alright, but that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic evening. Bye.